Welcome to the MP7 Physique and Figure Transformation Specialist Certification Seminar. This comprehensive program merges traditional and modern bodybuilding techniques with advanced strength conditioning to enhance health, fitness, and overall performance. The MP7 training program integrates evidence-based on top of that practical evidence-based bodybuilding. And strength conditioning strategies tailored to individual assessments, ensuring optimal health and performance for all participants. Throughout this seminar, you will gain valuable knowledge and practical skills to effectively transform physiques, benefiting both general fitness clients and athletes. The program covers foundational knowledge on important body systems, fat loss, muscle building, adaptation to stress, and program design for hypertrophy, strength, and power. Additionally, practical training plans are provided, such as warm-up routines, targeted muscle development exercises, split routines, strength development techniques, and nutrition plans, special dietary considerations, including foods for organ protection and joint health will also be discussed. Our second day focuses on practical application and advanced techniques, where participants will have the opportunity to participate in an interactive doubt-clearing session and learn about supplementation and recovery strategies to enhance the effectiveness of their training. The seminar will conclude with an extensive QA session for personalized guidance and to address any remaining queries. Following the seminar, participants will follow the MP7 training routine for 3 months, document their progress, submit a report, and take an online exam for NSQF-L4 Fitness Trainer certification. In summary, the MP7 seminar provides a robust framework for achieving optimal health, fitness, and performance. Whether you are looking to transform your own physique or help others, this certification will empower you to succeed. Thank you for participating, and we look forward to witnessing your incredible transformations with the MP7 training program.